Using Flower is really easy. Even a child like me can do it. Step 1. First of all, we start to build up our process, which we do in the business process modeling notation. The process basically defines the who and what. The who is represented by swim lanes. So we start with adding a swim lane for each role department involved in the process. Don't forget to name your swim lanes. This element serves as a task. It will later tell the swim lane assignee what needs to be done. It is a good practice to add handling instructions by relating a text annotation or linking a Confluence page. Here we come to a gateway. A gateway is a decision point which splits up the process in 2 or more different lanes. There are 3 different types of gateways: inclusive, exclusive, which acts as OR, respectively XOR, decisions, and parallel to simply take all of the outgoing transitions without a necessary human decision. A task later will be resolved, which is the desired way to handle activities. But of course there are other possible actions like escalation, a timeout, or any other exception. This is what boundary events are for. Simply drag a boundary event from the toolbar onto your activity and define a next step. But indeed, there is much more to learn about the different BPMN elements and workflow patterns. Simply check out our user manual. Step 2. Additionally, Flower comes with a powerful form builder to create both form and layout. Click at the form button in the upper toolbar and get to the form builder. When building a form from scratch, it is a good idea to think about structure and how to group our form elements by certain sections. A simple and nice trick is to use tabs. Now it is time to drag our desired form elements into the defined tabs. You can choose from a big bunch of different elements, from a basic text field to many more advanced fields like email or multi-select. Furthermore, there are various options to configure and modify your form item. To dive deeper and to take advantage of all the powerful features, it is a good idea to consult our user manual. In order to automate it all, we first need to publish our work. This includes a validation step to make sure our process is automatable properly and we don't run into a deadlock or the like. Also, it gives us useful modeling advice. Well, here we go. Let's hit the play button to start our workflow with some necessary parameters. Just assign a swim lane to define the who, then just press create and the magic happens. The process now turns into an automated workflow by creating a Jira issue for each process activity. The real-time status is highlighted in a workflow graphic attached to the issue view. Flower Workflow Automation. by Bauer.